The SafeStack MK2 is a 2-meter BSEN 8442 Chapter 8 compliant pedestrian barrier, developed and manufactured exclusively for CID Group. Ideal for utility, telecoms, highway, and general site applications, this versatile barrier is robust, stable, and reliable. Complete with the all-new Ultra Spigot, this barrier comes complete with a lifetime Spigot guarantee, significantly reducing the cost and time of replacing broken feet. Exclusive to CID, the Ultra Spigot is a super strong, virtually unbreakable barrier foot spigot, designed to be paired with the SafeStack MK2. Featuring the all-new ultra-locking spigot pins, once the spigot is slotted into the barrier, the ultra-locking spigot pins are inserted through holes into the spigot and barrier to create a virtually unbreakable lock. The Ultra Spigot is compatible with existing standard and non-trip barrier feet, and allows feet to rotate a full 360 degrees. The SafeStack MK2 is manufactured in the UK using a high-quality blow mold design, creating a robust and reliable barrier system. Made using a mixture of Virgin HDPE and around 20% recycled content, the SafeStack MK2 is 100% recyclable through our closed-loop recycling system, meaning it can be recycled into new products again and again, therefore reducing the impact to the environment. The SafeStack MK2 can also be manufactured in any colour to suit your brand, which not only creates increased brand visibility and professional-looking sites, but it also helps reduce pilferage, allowing you to protect your assets. The SafeStack MK2 features 3 embossing areas, with the central area providing one of the largest embossing areas of any barrier on the market. Additionally, the SafeStack MK2 accommodates a variety of courtesy board shapes and sizes, such as 600 by 450mm, 600 by 400mm, and 445 by 430mm with rounded corners, which fit within a special recess to reduce damage when being moved from site to site. With its compact design, the SafeStack MK2 is easy to transport and allows for secure stacking in less space. And the sturdy quick clips allow the SafeStack MK2 to be deployed quickly in a variety of different configurations across many different applications. For further information or to obtain a quote, please contact CID Group today.